Hey, welcome back if you are returning, and welcome to you if you are new. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. Today I have two easy Easter and St. Patrick's Day DIYs. So without further ado, let's get crafting. So I got this pack of Easter eggs from my 79-cent store. Now I started out by gluing the lids on the Easter eggs closed, and then I just took my hot glue gun and pierced the top and the bottom of the eggs so I can get holes. But because they were so slippery, I decided to just glue down a piece of painter's tape to the top and the bottom. And once I got that done, I went again and I used a hot glue gun to pierce the bottom and just to get the holes. And here I am using a wooden dowel. I've had these for quite some time now. I believe I got this from Walmart, and I just pierced the eggs, made the holes large enough. As you can see, this one wasn't all the way open, so I had to open it and then use the hot glue to pierce it from the inside. Now I could have left the eggs in the colors that they were, but they were too shiny and I wanted to have them in different colors. So I'm going to be painting the two top ones with this paint, Waverly Pool. And because they were so shiny, in order for the paint to hold, I had to apply some Mod Podge. So I used this Mod Podge satin. And once that dried, I am now going in with some Waverly chalk paint. And here they are all painted and dried. Now I'm going to paint with the pool, as you can see. And then some Waverly celery. And I left the two middle ones. And this pack of wooden circles from Walmart. They are so thin, and because I wanted them to be a little thicker, I decided to use this bead. This I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gluing it on the inside. And once I got that done, I then took one of the circles and placed that on top. And here I had both of them done. Now, because I'm going to be painting, I don't want the section that is going to be glued onto the stick to be painted, so I placed down a piece of painter's tape. And these 2 or 4 circular beads I had, and I painted them white as well. And here I am just gluing them on. And now we're ready to apply some Mod Podge to seal the paint in. And if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And also like, share and comment, because it really helps my channel to grow, and so YouTube can recommend and suggest my video to more viewers like yourself. And then I took my heat gun and dried it. Now, to hide where the eggs joined, I decided to wrap that with some jute twine, and I think it also gave it a little contrast and a decorative look. And then I took my miter shear and just cut off the top of the skewer. I'm gonna call them skewer at this time. They look so much like shish kebab sticks. So I took the madder shear and cut that off, and then I painted where the madder shear had just scratched it up a little bit, and then dried that with the heat gun. Now this video is a part of the Small Creator Sunday being hosted by Tiff of Broke Girl Aesthetics, and her guest host is Sarah of Can Sarah DIY It. Now these ladies are very talented, so I'll leave links to their channels in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Once everything was dried, I'm now gluing. It's now time to glue them on. The little area around where I placed the bead down was still showing, so I took some white paint with a fine paintbrush and just painted out that area. And I just put enough hot glue in the middle, and then I stick the stick with the eggs. It's very difficult to say that. And then I glue the two pieces together. Let's keep it at that. So the two pieces, the stand with the beads, that goes at the bottom, and the single one goes at the top. And here the candle stands are all done. Now I love these. But because they were too white, I decided to just dry brush a little of Waverly antique wax, dilute it, and just dry brush that on. And I got these from napkins that I cut out from Dollar Tree, and this is for added decoration as well. You don't have to do this part, you can leave it just plain, but I decided I wanted to have something else on it, so I cut out the flowers from the napkin, and I'm just using some Mod Podge to glue them on. And these are all done. I love them so much, and these can serve, or you can decorate with these all year round. It doesn't necessarily have to be for spring or Easter time. Because I use Easter eggs, I think I'm going to be keeping these for more than one season. Let me know in the comments below whether this is something that you would try and whether you like them. Now this next DIY is one I did. You can see the full tutorial in the video that I link above, but I just decided to add it to this video because it's St. Patrick's Day and it fits the theme. So there you have it, guys. 2 easy Easter and St. Patrick's Day DIYs. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And don't forget to check out the host channels and the playlist down below after you get done watching my video. And if you enjoy budget-friendly content like this one, I recommend this video right here or this playlist. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.